Hi guys, so I'm not sure how the lighting looks over there. Kind of looks nice though. We are going to do a makeup tutorial and I have like dry skin right now. I'm gonna switch off the camera because I wanted to rest. I'm gonna do my eyebrows and then I will get back so you guys can see the rest of the makeup look that we're gonna do. I don't know what I'm gonna do yet, but we're just gonna freestyle it as we go. So I decided, you know what, I'm gonna do that. So I was talking to one of my friends and I told her that I'm gonna do one of her makeup looks. Like, she's a makeup artist and stuff. She does this like way better than me and stuff. So I'm just like, I'm still learning. I know how to do my face. It's the crazy thing is I've tried makeup on other people and it came out right. Some people are like, oh my god, I actually like how it looks. And I'm like, oh, thank you. Oh, thank you. I appreciate that. So yeah. So let's see how it comes out if I do it. If I do a crazy wild color. Because I'm not really a professional because like I'm the kind of person that started the whole makeup journey and then I stopped, but I still know how to beat my own face. Does that make sense? So I'm gonna use this as my card, and this is a little dirty. It's not so bad. I used it yesterday when I was practicing. I should have recorded the makeup look I did yesterday. So that said, I'm gonna go in with this. I should probably show you guys. Hold on. I hope I don't sound like a... My friend said I sound like a... She said I sound like a news reporter. So I'm gonna try not to sound like a news reporter. So I'm gonna use this first. This is the Juvia's palette. The Festival by Juvia. I don't have tape, so I don't have time to go find tape right now, so I'm gonna do this. This one is the Zulu palette. So any of my Zulu speaking girls would probably appreciate this. So I use the yellow one right there. That's gonna be my best friend. And then now I'm gonna go back and actually use this. I'm gonna use this one right here, the brown one, on the Zulu palette still. Kind of looks, it's nice, it looks fire, but I hope it kind of, and I hope it ends up looking nice. I just hope it ends up looking nice. So what was I saying, guys? I was saying, yeah, I, Sonora, was born and raised in South Africa, came here when I was 19, 20, give or take. And it's been a couple of years I've been here. Trust me, guys, I have been through hell and back. Okay. Now, this is the Anastasia palette. I'm gonna use this one right here. Okay, the Contour Cream Kit. This one is called Banana. I'm gonna use Banana right there. Okay guys, so we're doing the lashes now. And I like to be very careful when I do my lashes. Okay? Because they kind of shape your eyes, but then, you know, the liner is there to help that too. To help the process even be easier. Shoot. Ah! Why won't this lash let me flourish? Okay, I'm just gonna go back in there and fix it with the yellow, but so how I almost messed that up. So this is how it look. So this is how it looks so far. Never done this. Never done. This is an actual lash that goes at the top, but I'm putting it at the bottom. I'm just gonna reverse it basically and see if it works. So if this works, I'm gonna start doing it every day. If this works, I was saying I'm gonna start doing this. I don't know if you heard me, but if this works, I'm gonna start doing it like every day. It's gonna be one of my tricks. But let's see. I'm so scared. Jesus, I'm so scared. So now, let's do the lips. I think it kind of semi-worked. It's different, right? It feels like my eyes are like closed in. It's so weird, but I like it. In a strange way, I like it. I really do. Yeah, I do. So now let's do my lips. I'm not gonna go crazy wild with my lips. So that's that. Will be fine actually, but let me just line them up. Liner, so you can see the difference, you know. Guys, I went for a yellow color. I was hoping that you know, I could pull it off. I was like, I wonder if a yellow dress and yellow earrings and everything would go well together. And I feel like it kind of does. You can kind of pull it off and stuff. So I will be posting another video of me doing a different makeup look tomorrow, and I am trying so hard to make up for all the times I missed out. And I missed out on sending you guys videos and posting videos for you guys, and everybody's been asking me, most of my little fans and my family, like, please continue posting, please. So this is me posting, and I hope you guys love this video. And thumbs it up, of course, thumbs it up. And I need to learn to stop looking at the monitor, because now my new camera has a monitor, so I keep looking that way instead of you guys. I'm sure you're gonna notice that when I'm doing my makeup too. But I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. I actually pulled it off. I can't believe I pulled off yellow. I pulled it off. He doesn't wanna say I didn't. This lash though didn't, like, it doesn't want to flipping listen. I don't know what's going on with it.